Why are lightning rods used? Lightning is a highly strong electrical spark that travels several kilometers in the sky in a matter of seconds. This spark makes the air hot and causes an explosion. A single stroke of lightning can incinerate a tree and start a fire. But long ago, people thought of a way to protect themselves and their homes from this danger. They invented the lightning rod, a metal rod, one end of which rises above the roofs of houses, and the other end of which is connected to the ground with a wire. Lightning finds the shortest route. It strikes the rod, and without hurting anyone, escapes through the wire into the ground.